Bitcoin is about to make a very important decision, and I think that we are going to have a massive volatile period ahead. That is why in this video I'm going to be walking you and explaining to you exactly what I think of the chart and what does it mean if we surpass levels to the upside and surpass levels to the downside, and how I'm going to look to trade it. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin has been very range bound over the last few weeks, of which the last part of the range was initiated at Thursday, the 31st of August. This, which is basically almost a week ago. Since then, all we have done is simply made rotations within that range, where over time, because of the forming this range, we have formed a triple bottom on the Bitcoin chart, and during a rise to the top of the range, where this part was then officially to be included in that range, we have formed a triple top. Now, what that means is essentially there is liquidity being created to both sides of the market. Now, we have also taken out both of these things, and that gives us the next puzzle piece that gives us the correct information in which we can make the assessment as to whether price is going to go up or down next. Because what we have done after forming all these triple bottoms and these triple tops, we have simply gotten our rejection and ultimately also taken out that triple bottom over here, after which we have ranged for a little while. We had a local swing failure of that low, ultimately completing this as a deviation of the range. We have busted back into the range, made a full rotation, and then in turn we have seen a similar sort of price action as below, but then a lot faster, quicker, and on a lower time frame, taking out these highs, removing all the inefficiencies, and so far remaining range bound. Now, within that range, there's a few levels that I want you to be aware of if you're looking to trade this range, because ultimately that is what it is right now. And the three levels that I'm going to give you are the volume levels that are deriving from this overall range to begin with. And as you can see, they have been extremely well respected, where the value area high, more or less as a region, if you consider this as a region, is the resistance line, with that key level marked out here as the absolute top, which all of that we have taken out. Then we have seen a retracement, and currently we are trading anywhere in between that value area high and that point of control. Now, overall, we have not seen any significant changes yet, and I've been saying over time that the price action remains bearish as it is maintaining that bearish market structure. None of that at the moment has changed yet. However, price is locally simply range bound until we lose that value area low again, after which we can ultimately look for our lower targets that I have been mentioning publicly and within the tribe in much more detail many times now. Now, when is that going to change my mind? And because we took out this high yesterday, I consider this a very nice and good high, because we swing failure it and we have seen an adequate reaction, ultimately continuing on to range. But that also gives us a new data point in which we can make that assessment, because if we do reclaim that high, then we have effectively established a structure that brings us not only out of the range, but also gives us that structure that gives us a higher high and a higher low, and that can be the beginning of a reversal in the downtrend. And until that has happened, this is not the case, and price is simply going sideways on the local time frames and more prone to further downside on the slightly bigger picture. Now, I'm making this video because I do expect some volatility to come in very shortly. Maybe it is today, maybe it is tomorrow, and I just simply want to keep you informed and updated as to how I am looking at the chart and what I want you to be aware of, so that you don't get caught off guard if price does suddenly move larger than, let's say, within this range, because let's be honest, we did had some moves to the upside and to the downside, giving us some larger percentage moves, but overall, price has been very and relatively choppy and quiet. So I do not want you to get caught off guard by this one move that might ruin your portfolio. So take advantage of this video and use it to your benefit, and also like and subscribe to this video if you've liked it. And then I have a second thing that I want to share with you, because did you know that as of today, Thrive Labs has now reopened its doors again, meaning that it is now available again for everybody to join the community and stay up to date real time with the markets, where I and the members of the community are actively trading and looking and sharing their journey each and every single day. Now, the community really is not the only thing, because we have put on a member stop, first of all because it was very high demand, but also we wanted to make sure that you're going to get the most out of this experience. And that is why we have relaunched Thrive Labs with its own, yes, ladies and gentlemen, its own academy. With courses, currently there's only 2 courses. However, they're quite beefy. One is absolutely free, is totally free, and the other one helps you get set up on how to do technical analysis from scratch, the right way, in the way that I personally use every single day. And you will not only be walking away with knowledge from tools, but you will just simply be walking away with just a methodology on how to bring these tools together so that you can use it on a daily basis as well. And I think that is simply amazing. We've put in a lot of work into it, and as you can see, this is a very meaty course overall. Currently, we have more than 6 hours of video material alone that you then obviously can put into practice at heart and practice at your own pace in a dedicated learning environment. We're incredibly proud to bring you this academy, and as you can see, currently there's 2 courses on it, but you know, this is really just the beginning. So if you are interested, I would be more than humbled to be your coach and help you on your way to profitability. All you have to do is simply go to our website, thrive-labs.io, sign up. If you have created an account, then you can log in into your membership portal, and from there on out, that is where you can access the Thrive Labs Academy and get access to the courses that you want to follow. So I just really wanted to put that out there, so I'm super excited, and I'm very excited to see you coming into the community and you know, just basically pick all the fruits that there are, where you can just extract knowledge from many different people from all different sorts of levels. And of course, this is the place where I am just trading each and every day, covering the price section live and in real time, while also helping you getting along your way if you have completed these courses to fully understand everything that is being taught on the theoretical part in the courses. So yeah, once again, I would say thank you very much. Keep your risk management here in check, because I do think that Bitcoin in the next few hours/days, there is some volatility going to come. So be prepared, keep your risk management on check. If you don't know how to do that, well, then you have to absolutely watch at least the free course. And with having that said, that is everything that I wanted to cover regarding the Bitcoin price action. Now, stay safe and enjoy the process and enjoy the trade. trades, and well, hopefully you are going to make a lot of profits, just like the members that we have here in the group. Congratulations, by the way, big shout out to Crypto Addicted, where we have covered BLZ also in depth on a public live stream, and he basically traded and collected 1 year worth of membership. Do you also want to be able to do something like that? Well, simply go to thrivelabs.io and join our community, and see you there, and I will be happy to observe your process. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Peace.